Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Haller and I'm here with Andy Hirst of SAP, and we're at Sibos 2016 in Geneva. Thanks very much for joining me.
Thanks, Emily.
How would you say the big data story in transaction banking has moved on since Sibos Singapore last year?
Well, we've seen kind of three big themes. Unstructured data, and the real growth in unstructured data is still continuing. Text analysts, all that information has got to be really managed and directed by banks. Second big theme is the open data initiatives. Banks need to be becoming more open with their back-end systems, being able to open APIs, be able to give data to other people, other applications, fintechs, be able to partner with them. And then thirdly, the machine data revolution. That's starting now. I see this as assisted decision making, away from traditional BI to assisted decision making as we move towards a more area of machine learning in the future. So those are the big themes I see from Sibos this year.
And have transaction banks got to grips with how they can exploit unstructured data? And if there are still challenges, how can they be overcome?
Well, banks have set up the initial infrastructures. They've set up Hadoop, Spark, data lakes. They're able to get that information, but extracting that, making business value from that is still one of their big struggles. They've got to be able to get that access to information and then mash that with the structured information of a bank to create a much better value add and much better insight. For instance, a more complete customer record.
How do you see the big data trend dovetailing with that other major hot topic of the moment, open APIs?
Well, this is really driven by some of the regulations. So the Open Data Institute in the United Kingdom forcing 7-day switching means data has to exchange between banks, and also the PSD2 regulation. This is going to be allowing new people to come into the market, application service providers who are going to have access with the customer's okay and permission to go after that data, extract that, and create very strong new data-based financial applications. That has implications for banks. You need to have a real-time live business architecture to do real-time data, and you need to have the APIs in place to be able to extract that and be able to send that information to those parties. And that leads to lots of challenges for banks in the next few years as they lead up to PSD2 coming in.
Andy, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.